Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing the Polaris glass windshield and aluminum roof on a 2022 RZR Pro XP. This is how the glass windshield arrives. It's packaged very well with lots of foam to protect it during shipping. Here's the included hardware, along with the black stripping that you put on the front of the roof where it contacts the windshield. So we'll start by placing one of these clips into each of the 8 holes that are on the roll cage. There are 4 holes in the front here and 4 in the back. Next, rest the windshield onto the front of the roll cage. It may be helpful to have a second set of hands. Next, align the roof on top, making sure all the foam is in between the roof and the roll cage. We are not going to be using the upper mounting bolts from the included hardware for the windshield. Instead, we will use these included roof bolts. Secure the front of the roof first, and then work your way back. After the roof is bolted down, slide these clips over the roll cage and windshield bracket, and secure using the included washer and bolt. That's all there is to it. Easy and straightforward install. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.